Hey you guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm out in my garage.
Here in my garage.
And it's about 33 degrees out. I've been out here trying to organize and pick up some stuff, both in preparation for Viper repair, but also to get ready to finish off my makeshift ceiling so that when I get my pellet stove hooked up, which is behind me over there, to heat the garage, I won't lose heat above me in the rafter area. Sort of slowly making progress, but I've gotten to the point where I'm too cold to keep working. So I'm gonna head inside before I get too much colder and warm up. But I'm also gonna show you guys my latest Revzilla purchase, which isn't anything major, but it's a few goodies here and there. Prices were pretty good. I'm a cheap bastard, so let's go inside and see what I got from good old Revzilla.com. Alright you guys, welcome to my man cave. You can't see it, but I don't have a ceiling, and there's a bunch of power cables hanging down, and raw connections poking out everywhere. But other than that, it looks pretty good in here, if I do say so myself. Warming up here, but I'm gonna take my jacket off. First item is this one from Revzilla, and a few disclaimers here. Number one, no, this is not a paid product placement sponsored video. Number two, this isn't a fully official unboxing video. Some of these items I already opened, but I'm still gonna show them to you guys. But I do have one brand new item here that I have not opened yet, and it's this one, so let me pull out my little makeshift box blade here. And so the first item is armor. Well, armor padding inserts or whatever you want to call them. So that's pretty cool. So this is my first time seeing this. This is the Viper. Funny that that's what it's named. Viper Pro Level 2 back protector from Icon. So this is supposedly going to fit in my jacket, which would be great if it does. So that's that. The next item. This is Icon D30 knee pads. So same material. Let's just open this thing up. It's pretty cool. I'll see if these fit my jeans here in a little while. That's the official unboxing portion of the video. From here on out, I'm just gonna be showing you what I have already gotten open and checked out. So let me just grab the next item. And the next item is this Tourmaster, I'll probably not pronounce this correctly at all, Tourmaster Corazza textile jacket. This is a nice jacket. You got some shoulder armor, some elbow armor. You got some back armor too. You got a little Velcro connector there. You got a pocket there, pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here. Got some tightening straps there on both sides of the waist and on the wrists as well. Don't think this one has a liner. Yeah, so this one doesn't have a removable liner, but it does have an inside pocket here with some Velcro at the top. Got some reflective piping there and some reflective piping there. It also has like a little liner strip here on the zipper. I really like the look. It's just nice and simple, and the fit is really, really good. So there's that one. Again, Tourmaster Corazza, K-O-R-A-Z-A. Great little jacket. All right, so moving on to the next item. Next item is, are you ready? Another jacket. Yes, that's right. I bought another jacket. And this one is a Cortec, let's see here, VRX 2.0. And this one does have a removable liner, which the other one didn't, so it was another reason this one drew me to it. Pocket that can fit itself on there. Another even bigger pocket over here. The zippers on the side, obviously, and a couple fasteners to take the liner in and out. It's a really great jacket. I'll tell you how much I spent on this. Alright, so this one was on sale, but it wasn't on as good of sale as the other one. This one was $179.99. $39,999.95. And I really like the design. It's got the red, it's got the white, it's got the liner. When you take the liner out, there's also another pocket, and I think there's also, yep, another pocket over here under the liner. You've got also a pocket right here, a little Velcro connector there. This one also had more vent options, which I also like, because as cold as it gets here during the winter, it gets freaking hot as hell here during the summer. You need all the ventilation you can get. So this has, again, like the other one, has reinforced forearms, elbow, shoulder, and back. Also got some vents there. Pads, some padding, tightening straps there on either side of the waist, pocket, and you've also got some Velcro adjusters on the wrists. I just really liked it. Definitely more visually noticeable than the black one, of course. And supposedly this armor that I bought that you guys already saw, it will fit in either. Now, I will say there was one huge drawback with this jacket, and that is because like I said, I've already opened these, I've already tried them on. Although it's a great fit in the torso, I find that these seams along the inner arms, along the forearms especially, they're like really tight and they feel really weird and it feels really awkward. So I don't know if I've got like Popeye arms or something. But I'm gonna try to live with it because I really love the jacket. So I'm pretty happy with it and I'm excited to use it this coming riding season. Alright, here we go. Next item. I don't know if this is in the way or not, but I'll move it just in case. So here we go. This is the OGO, I think it's called like here we go. The No Drag Mach 5.
Mach 5.
This one I got from eBay, baby. Yes, that's right, eBay. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I'm not really sure. This was like 130 bucks or something like that. And you know what? Despite the price and a couple other little things here and there, I really absolutely love this backpack. First of all, it's a hard-cased, hard-shelled bag, so I can always rely on this thing to be the same shape and carry its weight in the same way. The other thing I love, there's no exterior zippers on this backpack. All the zippers are on the inside, so when you have this bag on, no one can sneak up behind you and open a zipper and reach into a pocket without you knowing. There's no access other than this panel right here. Here's the main compartment, folds out, and you got a boatload of space, relatively speaking. You got a visor case right here, put multiple visors in. And another thing, our shoe loops or holders right here. So 2 shoe holders, which is pretty cool. You have a little pouch up here too. And then on this side, you've got this little stretch net thing right here, which you can unfasten, I think from both sides. So you can unfasten that, flap it down. And then you got some pretty standard backpack stuff that you'd see in pretty much any backpack. Pouch here, some pencil, pen holders down below, another pouch there, another pouch there, zippered pouch here, and then an even bigger pouch here. This next pouch or slip or whatever is the one I use for my laptop. That fits my laptop really well. Got this little securing strap right here. And then behind that, there's a whole nother pouch right here. Then you got a little access opening right here. So whether you have like one of those camel pack things or maybe earphones, whatever it might be. And you've got this little clip right here, which I haven't really used, but I'm sure it could be used for something. And then another cool thing that I didn't actually mention is there's an expansion zipper along the outer edge. So if you do need even more space, you can undo this expansion zipper and you get like a couple more inches worth of space. I love this bag, I love this design, and of course it's not the only one out there, but I'm just really happy with it. I love this thing. It did have a waist strap that I took off, and it had like a little side pouch that I took off. I love this thing, I bring it everywhere, and it's actually become my main backpack. I have noticed some of the threads and sewing work, seamstress work, what have you, has started to loosen up and come apart. But that's only happened in one spot, which is this one. So, I'm like a floating head behind this freaking backpack from the future. Alright, so there you guys go. That's my latest Revzilla haul. And when I say Revzilla, I mean mostly Revzilla because that's Revzilla, that's Revzilla, 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 but that's good old eBay. Yeah. But yeah, so there you go. Pretty good little haul. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna put those in this box over here. Make sure those fit later at some point off camera probably. And it's this jacket over here that hopefully that back pad fits. But I should probably wrap things up, head back out to the garage, see what else I can get done out there, then maybe come back inside and see what else I can get done around the house for the day. On that note, let me bring you outside really quick. Alright you guys, I'm gonna end the video inside my garage, in front of my beloved Viper and my beloved FZ. Oops, almost dropped the camera. I love the bike, I love the new gear I got, and so I'm excited to ride. I'm always excited to ride. Did I just see someone walking by my window? Whew, alright, so I'm gonna head in and start my night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.